All right, I've got this Tosot little portable air conditioner. It's been giving me the F0 warning. So this is the model, by the way, that I've got. Okay, well. All right, so I figured out how to get these side panels off. So you remove the two screws here, and then you just pull up. You can see these were just pressed on like that. And then there you go. You can get to the rest of the unit. So now I can go ahead and clean this side off here. And yeah, it's just thick. I might just, yeah, I can just, there you go, rub it with my, wow, fingers, and look at all that stuff coming off here. Let's get this, oh my goodness, nasty. See, I've had this unit for maybe only about a year. No, probably 2 years. Just looking, what is it opening there? Guess that's some sort of a stream port. So yeah, so low, well, something wrong with the refrigerant is the F0 code. So might get a little brush here and try to, just gonna take an old brush here, get all the corners. Well, came back on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's out of Freon.